Alright, so I'm going to attempt to make a video chronicling how I prepared for Thanksgiving this year. So today is the Friday before Thanksgiving, and my delivery just arrived for the side dishes and the dessert for dinner. My husband and I are hosting Thanksgiving dinner this year, and we're just having another couple and their young musician. So it's dinner for 6. So I just got the side dishes and the dessert, and I'm gonna actually buy a ham early next week to cook. So the box just arrived. So here we go. Thanksgiving, first step. Oh, it's a big box. So this is supposedly an easy Thanksgiving meal. And so I'm going to let you guys know if it really is, but let's see what's in this box. I kind of forget what all the different parts of this are, but we are going to find out. So what am I cooking for Thanksgiving? That is the question. Ooh, and I have a guidebook to find out. It says, the Thanksgiving box cordially invites you to a drama-free dinner. We're going to find out how drama-free this really is. And it says open for a good time. Oh, you gotta love a good pun. So, everything I need in here. So, that's exciting. We have ciabatta buns. I bet these are for the stuffing. This is gonna make a good stuffing. Buns. A big fat of perfect green beans. Another bun. Oh boy. Happy Thanksgiving. I don't know what's in there. There's some stuff in there. Oh, I have apples. All kinds of apples. I know the dessert is apple crisp, so that's kind of exciting. I think I just like to open up boxes. I really do. It's just kind of exciting. Ooh. Potatoes. Well, can't have Thanksgiving without potatoes, can you? Cranberry sauce. Alright. An orange. Oh, another the ciabatta buns are going to be coming out of my ears. Some sweet Italian chicken sausage. I think this is for the stuffing. If I remember correctly from the celery. Oh, just the perfect amount. That's so much better than having to buy a whole head of celery. Never used. And I think that's everything. So, nice. Okay. I'm just going to open up this bag and see what we got. Oh, this is all the odds and ends. Yeah. Let's see what our odds and ends are. So, this is like sage, Panko breadcrumbs, flour, more flour, garlic, demi-glaze, dried cranberries. This is all the stuff that makes it good, right? More dried cranberries, dried thyme, chicken broth, pecans, shallots, all kinds of shallots. Look at all this food. Sour cream, more pecans, ground cinnamon. Oh yeah, these are all the flavors of Thanksgiving. Shallots, lemons, oh my gosh. Eggs, 2 little eggs. Hopefully they're all in one piece. More flour. Demi-glaze, that's broth, chicken broth. Put those on this roasted garlic and herb butter. I bet those go in the potatoes. More, sliced almonds. More nuts, different kind. A piece of ginger. Oh, that's so good. And then 2 little containers of milk. Anyway, so that is all my goodies. And let me read you the recipe now that I got it all figured out. So we're making garlic mashed potatoes with crispy fried sage, ciabatta stuffing with chicken sausage and cranberries. That's a lot of rolls. I think we have enough rolls. Green beans and caramelized shallots with crispy almonds and panko topping. cranberry sauce with orange, ginger, and cinnamon, classic gravy, garlic and herbs, and then an apple ginger crisp with cinnamon, pecan crumble. And all of my recipes are right here. And I'm gonna study this, and I'm gonna start cooking on Wednesday. I'm gonna put this all in the fridge, and all I have to do now, I cook every day. The other project, call it a project, that I have planned to prepare for Thanksgiving, and I'm not going to do this until Wednesday evening before Thanksgiving, is this is my dining room, and since it's kind of crowded, and so what I want to do for dinner is I'm actually going to move the dining table out of here and all my music, because I have too much music, and I'm gonna set up dinner in the living room. So my plan is to move my furniture out of here and put the leaves in my dining room table and make a big table, even though there's only 6 of us, maybe 7. So we have room. And then I'm gonna move the carpet and the couches into the dining room, move all my music out, and kind of have a cozy place to, some people just want to talk, but I just want to make room to eat. And that way, it's easier to the kitchen. My husband's wheelchair and stuff. So that's my plan. I'm getting crazy. All right, Thanksgiving preparations continue. It's Wednesday afternoon, 4 o'clock. I'm done teaching. My husband and I went out to lunch today. I just got home and the delivery guy just arrived with 1 more box of food. This is not all for Thanksgiving, this is for the weekend, but from Plated, this box is from, if you ordered meals this week, they would give you a free pecan pie. So I'm gonna see what the ingredients are for this pecan pie. So I just ordered 2 recipes for this weekend for post-Thanksgiving, but I'm hoping to get that pecan pie made. So, our goddaughter Ruby's coming home this weekend, and for those of you who know her, she's from Taiwan. So I got Taiwanese chicken wraps. We'll find out from her if they're really Taiwanese when I make them this weekend. Pecan pie with whipped cream, and crispy chicken thighs with garlic, sage gravy, roasted carrots, and walnuts. So that's for sometime this weekend, just because. Oh, pie crust. Awesome. There's my pecan pie recipe ingredients. Milk and honey cream. Pecans, butter, honey. Delicious. Wonder how long that pecan pie takes to make. I'm gonna go rest for a bit, and then I will proceed with cleaning my dining room. Alright. It's Wednesday night, 7:53. It's a little later than I had anticipated getting started on the cooking, but we went out to lunch, and then I was too tired. So I'm gonna make the apple crisp. I just put the dog outside because the sound of me peeling all these apples would have probably drove him absolutely insane. So we'll see how long this takes. Of course, I don't know how they have to genetically engineer an apple not to have the skin. And then I don't know if a genetically engineered apple with no skin would be safe to eat. What's my random thought for tonight? I already kind of wonder why apples don't turn brown as fast anymore when I was younger. But they do to them. You think that if you eat apples that don't turn brown, that'll keep you from aging. How's that for a theory? That's just making stuff up right there. actually I'm going to start the stuffing. So I'm just going to toast the ciabatta. So I have all these 8 ciabatta rolls. Gotta slice these into cubes, toast them in the oven. Frank, you aren't being a good cat. Frank! Hey! He's being very naughty. Kind of bad. Hope it's done. It's 9:45. The recipe said I was supposed to be browned in 45 minutes, and if it browns too fast, put foil on it. Well, this thing has been cooking probably an hour and a half. Pretty sure it's done. I'm gonna call it done. Turn my oven off. I can get ready for bed. Take some more bark. There we go. Well, I just woke up. 6 a.m. The cats are hungry. Let's see. Frank, don't chew on the books. You guys want some food? Yeah. Feed you. George, you want some food? Alright, time to make coffee. And then I'm going to start making this pecan pie. When it's daylight, I'm going to go for a walk. And then I'm going to clean the house. Get everything ready. We're going to cook this at 400 degrees for 10 minutes until that stops beginning to brown. This was my problem last night with the crisp. I should have done this. And then let it cook for, reduce the oven to 350 and then bake for another 35 minutes. While the pie is baking, I'm going to start moving my boxes of music from the dining room to my spare room. Now, I'm going to clean out this corner and that desk to make it look like my house is clean. While texting my dad. So if my dad watches this, I'm texting you right now. Happy Thanksgiving. You'll see this in a few days. Thanksgiving morning walk. I'm trying to decide if I need an umbrella. And I'm like looking up at the sky. It's looking a little dark. But there's sunlight to the south. So the sky's clear. I'm thinking the wind's coming from that direction. I think it's okay. But see how it goes. It's warmer today. No frost on the ground. Maybe a little wind will finally blow off all the leaves on the trees. My husband and I were just talking about how for almost December, there's a lot of leaves still left. Usually I think they're all gone. Although every year I have a different take on that. Ooh, it's kind of windy though. Not too cold. So, alright. Yeah, a lot warmer today. It smells different. I judge everything on smell. Oh, there's some dark clouds. Thanksgiving weather. Looks about right. It's your daily cow shot. Hey, Mr. Moo Moo. Hi, Moo Moo. Will you let me pet you? Oh, don't snort at me. Hi, Moo Moo. Oh, yeah. Hi, Moo Moo. Come here, Moo Moo. Come here, Moo Moo. He says, I'm not listening to you today. I'm eating. Hey, Moo Moo. What you doing? He says, hello. Hello. Is that your Thanksgiving dinner? He says, yes, it is. What are you going to do about it? I just got back from my walk, and I see that the house is already under construction, meaning the couch. Of course, when you start moving furniture, you'll find where the cats have left special presents, like fur balls. I don't know what I've gotten ourselves into with this one. I had to make a quick trip to the store and said I needed flowers. So, I'm going to make my flower arrangement. What's funny about going to the grocery store on Thanksgiving, I don't usually do that. But this time of day, 9:30 on Thanksgiving morning, it's all in with lists. I'm going to make mashed potato pile, so my garlic mashed potatoes, my green beans, and my stuffing. Alright, I'm going to organize this by type of food. So people like cranberry sauce. That's a lot of cranberry sauce. Well, it's the day after Thanksgiving, and it was a success. I wasn't able to actually get a picture of the final product because my guests arrived and I hadn't finished cooking, and it just got crazy. So, just trust me that it all turned out great, and it was good, and I'm glad I did Thanksgiving the way I did. It's the first time I've ordered from this company, and it's the first time I've moved my dining room into my living room, and yeah, so it was totally a different kind of Thanksgiving, so it was kind of fun to do something different, and I think it was easy-ish. It's always a little bit complicated to do that big a meal, Thanksgiving, because there's so many different dishes, and I usually just like make one thing. So timing it all, there's an art to that, and I'm not sure that I'm pro at that yet. But it was good. So I'm happy. So happy Thanksgiving.